Now, let's look at this. It says we should evaluate this. The first thing you should look at is the base. Are they the same? No. Because they are not the same, you can't join them together. We have to approach them individually. Okay? So for this one, I'm going to put 2 down. Now, I want 2 here. Why do I want 2 here? I want a situation whereby I have 2. At the end of the day, this becomes 1. Because if I have the same number like this, this becomes 1. So my next target now is how to make this 4 to become 2. That is, 2 to get close to this base. The only way to do that is to say 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. How many 2? 1, 2. That is 2 raised to power 2. So I will use this one now to replace this 4. Should I put 4 here? I am not going to put this 4 again. I will replace the 4 with this. That is 2 raised to power 2. The child that he gave birth to. This is a child this 4 gave birth to. Okay? So therefore, I remove this from here now. The next one is this. I put this down. I want 4 here too, but this is 2. How do I make 4 to be here without changing this 2? The only way is to say 2 is equal to the square root of 4, right? Square root of 4 is 2. So if I replace this now with the square root of 4, that is this 2, I am still writing the same thing. But by the way, what is the meaning of square root of 4? It also means 4 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay? Therefore, we can boldly move. We can move to the next log. That is 25. 5 is here. How do I make this one 25? So that 25 is to say the square root of this 25, which is 5. I have not changed anything. Okay? Now, this is what? 4 raised to power 1 over 2. Because of this square root, this is 1 over 2. Okay? Now, I can now move this to the back of this log. Okay? As I've explained several times, it is not good that this guy is carrying this and carrying this. If it were you, you'll be tired. So, 2 will come here now. We have this. 1 over 2 will come here. 1 over 2 will come here. We have this. Okay? As you can see, this and this are the same. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Therefore, this is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. You agree with me? This is 2. This is 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. This and this will cancel. That is half minus half remains 2. 2 is the answer. Okay? Hope you understand this.